concept of this and these of class KG2.
Assalamu alaikum. The concept of this and these. Learner, the term this and these are both used to indicate objects are closer to the speaker. The primary difference lies in whether the subject is singular and plural. Like, this is a table, these are